Truke Fit Pro True Wireless Earphones launched, priced at 999 rupees. Truke Fit Pro True Wireless Earphones are available now for 999 rupees, which will be tempting if you're looking to buy new true wireless earphones on a very tight budget. The new affordable headset is available on Amazon now at a launch price of less than 1000 rupees, making this one of the most affordable true wireless earphones you can buy right now. At its current price, the earphones will go up against competition from Xiaomi and Realme, along with affordable brands such as Noise, Bolt Audio, and Boat. Truke Fit Pro specifications and features. The Truke Fit Pro has impressive specifications for the price, including USB Type-C charging, Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, and a claimed battery life of up to 24 hours between the earphones and the charging case. There is also fast charging, with the earphones offering 1 hour of playback after 15 minutes of charging. The charging case has a capacity of 500 mAh, and the earphones are powered by 13mm dynamic drivers. Apart from these features, the Truke Fit Pro also features voice assistant support, which is said to work with Android and iOS devices. Many of these features are impressive on a pair of true wireless earphones priced at under 1000 rupees, particularly USB Type-C charging, which is a feature normally seen only on true wireless earphones priced at 4000 rupees and above. Truke Fit Pro pricing versus competition. At its current price of 999 rupees, the Truke Fit Pro goes up against recent high-profile launches such as the Redmi Earbuds S and Realme Buds Q, both of which are priced at under 2000 rupees. The 1000 rupee price point doesn't see too many options in the true wireless space, let alone products with advanced features such as USB Type-C charging and Bluetooth 5.0. At its price, the Truke Fit Pro is a viable alternative to other affordable options. However, it's worth noting that this is launch pricing, and could increase soon. The earphones are available now on Amazon in 3 colors, black, green, and blue, at 999 rupees for now. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.